We want to draw a perpendicular to a given line from a point outside it. So there could be two conditions. One condition is that the given point is almost at the middle of the given line. Say in this first case 1, the given point almost at the middle of the given line. Though it is outside, but almost at the middle point. And second case is the given point is very close to any one end. Say the given line is PQ and the given point is X. In this case too, the given point is shown is very close to the end Q. So anyway, both the case we have to consider and we can draw the perpendicular. Let us take for the first case. In the first case, what you have to do, put the compass at point X and then making point X as the radius, take any making point X as the center, take any radius and draw an arc in such a way that the arc cut the line PQ at any 2 points. So I have put the compass at point X and I have taken any radius and I am drawing an arc. So here the arc has cutted the line P and Q in two different locations. Let us say the location R. First location is, say it is C, and the second location, say we can say it is D. Okay, so I am giving the first location name as C. Let us say this point is C and the other point I am giving at D. Okay, now take any other radius, maybe the same radius or maybe a different radius, which should be more than half of CD, and making C and D as the center, draw two arc on the same side of CD. Okay, so little bit reduction I am doing, but more than CD. Now I can draw two arc on the same side of CD. Okay, so draw two arc. This is one arc I have drawn making C as the center, and again draw another arc making D as the center. Now here you can see that both these arcs are intersecting each other. Let us say the arcs are intersecting at point Y. Give this point name as Y. Now join these 2 points. So with the help of the scale, I have connected the XY point, and let us say it has cutted this line PQ at any point Z. We can give this point name as Z. Okay, now this connector, that is this XZY, or you can say XY, is nothing but the perpendicular on line PQ from a point given point X. Now you can check it out. Take the protractor and put it at Z point and check whether the angle is given angle is 90 degree or not. You see the given angle is almost 90 degree. Okay, so this is the process by which you can draw a perpendicular from a given point to a given line when the point is close to the middle of the given line. Now next we will try to draw a perpendicular when the point is close to the end of the given line. Now in the second case, the given point P is X is it is marked as by the red mark here, you can see, and now this red mark is the given point X and the given line is PQ, and the given point is very close towards the end, any end. It can be towards the end P or towards the end the Q. Here I have shown here towards the end Q. Now take PX as the radius and P as the center, draw an arc. Okay, this arc can cut the line PQ or maybe the extension of the PQ at any point. Okay, so to mark that I am drawing a line, drawing an arc. Okay, making the PQ as the radius. Okay, making PQ as the radius, that I have drawn the arc here. Okay, And now since the PQ is a smaller one, so I have to extend this line. So I will extend it little bit using the scale that I have used earlier. Okay, I am extending it. Let us say this extension of the line PQ is cutting this arc at a point. Say the point name is anything I can give. Say it is C. I have given. Okay, now make C as the radius and PQ as the C as the center and PQ as the radius once again. So now make C as the center and you have to make the PQ as the radius. So I am putting it here exactly at this point C, and you have to make the PQ as the radius. This was my point. Where was that red marking? This was the point. Okay, earlier point. Now you draw an arc. Okay, so no doubt this arc will cut the previous arc into two defined locations. So earlier this point was X, and say the bottom it is cutting at a point Y. So you give the name of this point. So the name of this point is Y. Okay, now you have to join these 2 points. Okay, join the X2 point using the scale. Take the scale. See the scale and connect these 2 points. See, almost it is connected and connected. Okay, so I have connected this. Now you see it is connecting, say at a point, any point you can give name X, Y, and that point you give name as a Z. Okay, let us say this point I have given as a name as Z. Okay, now this line X, Z, Y is your desired perpendicular on the line given line PQ. Earlier we have a given line PQ. We have a point which is very towards the end Q. Say that was the point X. So what I did, I have taken the compass. I have put the compass at point P, taken PX as the radius, drawn an arc. This arc has cutted the line PQ. This was extended line PQ at any point C. Now take the compass, make C as the center, CX as the radius, and I have drawn the arc. This arc has cutted the previous arc at 2 points. So these 2 points are basically, one point is X, another point I got as Y. Then I have connected this XY, which is cutting the line PQ at point Z. Now this XZ Y, or you can say XY, is nothing but a perpendicular on the given line PQ. Now you can check whether it is a perpendicular or not using the protractor. You bring the protractor here, put it, and just check. You can see that this angle is exactly 90 degree. Yes, so now you can see the angle is exactly 90. So it is nothing but what we did, we have drawn the perpendicular on it. Okay, so this is how you can draw the perpendicular when the given point is on the line, that is at the center, very close to the center when the given point is just but not on the line, outside the line, or when the given point is close to any end but not on the line, it is outside the line. Okay, so this is very simple step. You can practice it.